Today I'm going to teach you the best way to organize your Gmail inbox with labels. If you've been drowning in unread emails or struggling to find important messages buried somewhere in the clutter, labels are your best friend. They work like digital folders that help you categorize and locate emails instantly, making your inbox far more manageable and efficient. First, open or sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see your inbox, sent items, and other folders. Scroll down this sidebar and click on More to expand additional options. This reveals a bunch of extra features that Gmail keeps tucked away to keep things tidy. Near the bottom of this expanded sidebar, you'll find an option that says Create New Label. Click on it, and a pop-up box will appear asking you to name your new label. This is where you get to customize your organization system. Type in a name that makes sense for the emails you want to group together. For example, you might create labels like Work, Personal, Urgent, or Finance. Once you've decided on a name, click Create to add the new label to your sidebar. Now that your label exists, it's time to start using it. Return to your inbox and look through your emails. Check the box next to one or more emails that you want to organize under this label. You can select as many as you like in one go, which makes bulk organizing much faster. With your emails selected, click the labels icon above your emails. It's shaped like a tag and sits in the toolbar alongside other options like Archive and Delete. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing all your available labels. Find the label you just created and check the box next to it. This tells Gmail to apply that label to all the emails you've selected. Finally, click Apply to confirm and add the label to those emails. Going forward, anytime you need to find emails with a specific label, simply click the label's name on the left sidebar. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox to show only emails tagged with that label, making it incredibly easy to stay organized and find what you need without endless scrolling. Thanks for watching.